What I like about See You Again is it only needs 3 chords, and I'm going to start with the chords first, and I've changed it in the terms of its key, so that it's mainly black notes. The black notes are so much easier to identify because they create the pattern of 3 and 2, whereas the white notes all look the same. So it's a kind of call and response or question and answer progression. Here's the question. Here's the answer. Now, although we're using chords straight away, because we've got the black notes to identify the patterns, we can work them out quite quickly. I'm going to start with E flat minor. Here's E flat, 1, 2, 3 for minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's E flat minor. The next chord is F sharp major. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's our question. Here's the answer. It does use a white note. B to the right of the 3 black notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's B major. And then back to the F sharp major chord. You might want to loop your question and answer until you're more confident. Now the tune, similar. It's got a kind of question and answer structure to it. And because I've changed the key, it's mostly going to be on black notes. There's only one note that isn't. So, I've only used 3 black notes so far. I've used this note here, which could be called C sharp or D flat. And I've used these 2 black notes, which I'm going to call A flat in the middle there and G flat here. So I've got, there's my question. That needs answering. And I'm simply using the 3 black notes going up and down. Back to the middle. Here's my next bit. Using the second pair of chords, but it's the same as the tune at the beginning. So here we go. E flat minor, F sharp major, B major, F sharp major. Now it might be that you want to add to the right hand here, and the A flat, the middle of those 3 black notes there, would be really useful. You might not just stick with the A flat, because in fact the original song does vary. You might come up to B flat, for instance. There you've got a really beautiful pattern. Now the tune, also in this key, is mostly black notes. And there's your question. I've come up here, the F sharp major chord notes actually. F sharp, skip to A sharp, skip to C sharp. Up another one, and back down. Here I'm using the 3 black notes, going towards the middle, and then towards the right. Let's put that together. Then it moves to the right, starting with B flat or A sharp. And here's your only white note here. So you've come up from the right of the 3, through the 2, down the 3 black notes. Let's try and put that together. Now the advantage of using this key is now you can stylize the song as you want it, because you know that the black notes are going to work. It doesn't matter which black notes you play, they're going to sound great. You can simply loop your question and your answer. could have the introduction, the original tune, and then your own. So let's recap our main learning points. Well, we've only got 3 chords, and we've got a question and an answer. We've similarly got talking between different ideas in the right hand. First idea, second idea. The tune. Mostly uses black notes, which we call pentatonic. The one exception. And finally, of course, you can make the song your own using the pentatonic scale, the black notes. Doesn't really matter what you do, the chords and the notes will go well together.